This is Xana Healthy Spa Shower Head, which provides 3 stages of filtration process that helps to eliminate harmful substances in water while enjoying a shower. The Germanic ceramic balls are used effectively to remove chlorine from water, helping to enhance skin care. And iron ceramic balls has the function for antibacterial to enhance health protection. Finally, mineralization ceramic balls are used in absorbing harmful substances in the air to create a deodorization effect. With all these elements, it creates a high water pressure effect, soft and relaxing spray function for a stress-free shower. Yet saving 30% water on every shower. Convenient, easy installation. Strong and durable. Get a Xana Healthy Spa shower head now.